Design Tribe India Private Limited. We are the engineering consultants rendering the engineering services in the disciplines of civil, mechanical, electrical and instrumentation areas. We have been offering the engineering services to heavy industrial sectors like cement, power, textile and steel plants. Our product is basically the drawing. There will be a lot of data, incoming data flowing, and our product is the drawings, a lot of drawings that are released for the various projects. And our essence of business is the man-hours. Like an IT industry, ours is also the man-hours are very important for us to give the customer satisfaction and provide the timely services to the customers. We have been maintaining various spreadsheets for registering the incoming drawings, for outgoing drawings, and related to the data of the timesheets, time spent by the various employees and the time spent for each of the project. We have been looking for a powerful software to automate the process. And after a lot of search, we have identified the spark with Viveka software and advised them to produce this, the most powerful EMAP, enterprise management and project planner. A lot of discussions took place to automate the various activities that are related to our business, to offer the best services to the customers, to maintain the high quality of the product. Initially, we have made phase 1 of the EMAP software with the data related to the standards like building codes, project numbering system, customer database, customer contacts and employees data, which gives each and every information about the employees, their data, their joining date, their date of birth, which will give the HR activities also in the system. Similarly, the customers. And the timesheet, every individual employee will fill the timesheet every week. And this data will be compiled by the software and give us the information like how many man hours have been spent by each of the employee for each of the project, and also based on the group, based on the department, based on the project, based on the designation, and also each employee, and also activity wise, project wise, the essence that we can scan the total man hours of each of the employee, each of the group, each of the project, how the man hours have been consumed, how the improvements can be made. The reports, a lot of reports can be generated from the data filled in by the employees in the form of timesheets. In addition to this, the most powerful feature of the software is that a data bank. Whatever is our experience, if once we give a keyword, if once we give a building code, if once we give the information related to the project, all the data related to that particular building can be viewed by us to make use of the experience, to make use of the data that was already available with the organization. And the other important feature is the security. The kind of business we are doing, the data is very important. That is the property of the organization. So it gives a lot of security as far as the data is concerned, and the drawing retrievability. You can easily trace the drawings through the software, and we can view the drawings from the software. We can store the data in the server through the EMAP. And in addition to that, thousands and thousands of drawings is received by the organization for various projects. Similarly, the product is also equivalently the product will go every year. So when the data inflow and outflow is so huge, we need to have the automation. The registering system, each of the data, when it has been received, and the product for each of the project, when we have dispatched, what data was dispatched, drawing numbering system, building codes, each and everything can be automated by using this EMAP software. And in addition to that, we can also have the ISO management system, which is the most important thing. It will create the customer satisfaction by maintaining high quality, by maintaining uniformity and consistency. All the features that are needed by the ISO management system, quality management system, the software is justify every clause of the ISO management system. In fact, our ISO software, ISO consultant was telling them, your EMAP software itself is a document, no separate document is required. That's how the software has been developed. A lot of efforts have been put in by Viveka software, with a lot of discussion, to create this wonderful software that is in use. And in addition to that, we have created the special features like the management software. The software is made on hierarchy basis. Whatever the data that need by the individual employees, they can view their data, and the group managers can read the data related to the entire group. The project manager can see the data related to all his project alone, and the organization data can be looked by the managing director. And all the management data like the total man hours that are spent for the entire year, the profitability, the status reports, how much work is balanced and how much work is completed, how much work is planned for the current month and the next 6 months can be easily traceable, and the profitability for each of the project, for the whole organization, for each of the department can be seen, and man hours realization for the entire year, and also on project basis we can do it. If we have to go for a board meeting, we don't have to spend additional time to prepare the data. We can just view from the software each and every data that is needed by the board of directors. And I would confidently say that this is the software which is useful for the consultancy organizations like us, and also the IT companies, where the man hours are the essence of the business and the quality is the essence for the customer satisfaction. I would like to congratulate Viveka Software for developing such a wonderful software, and their cooperation, the teamwork, and the sharpness they have shown is quite impressive. And that's what the spark was seen at the beginning, and Viveka was selected for developing this kind of software.